What's up guys, it's Uncle Dang here again. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to cook a slow cooked chicken. To do that, you're gonna need like chicken obviously. I am using the 5 spice powder to seasoning the chicken here. I'm also using some dry mushroom, dry red berry, dry lotus seed here, dry ginseng, and some dry red date here. You can get the dry stuff easily from any Asian supermarket. Just go to the dry food section and you will find them. Uh, and I am using some chicken broth as well. And to do a slow cooked chicken, you will need an instant pot or any kind of like slow cooker that you have. Um, so first thing first, you probably want to put all the dry stuff here in a bowl and put water into it. Let it soak up a little bit. At the same time, you want to clean out all the dirt as well, right? So just leave it there soaking for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can like clean out all the dust as well because the dry food, right, they are left outside. So you probably want to clean it out after. So just let it soak in here for about like 5 to 10 minutes and then clean it out after. And you also want to clean your chicken as well. So let me do it right here. Okay guys, so now I just finished cleaning the chicken and cleaning the dry stuff here as well. So just put in some of the like 5 spice powder in the chicken here. See here, no need measurement, just put like as you like. Nobody had time to measure, you know. When you feel it enough, then you can leave it there. And just dumping in all the dry stuff that you had before. So dumping everything inside. Put up some more stuff here, there. So you have everything in here, and the next step is you just have to put in some of the chicken broth. Here. So like for this, the preparation time is super quick. It just the cooking time is a little bit long, but like you have to like prepare it way ahead of time. It got like a very tasty slow cooked chicken here. So here we have everything in already. So now all you have to do is bring it to the instant pot, right? So here's the instant pot. Put it back in here. Where's the lid at? Okay, here you go. Close the lid. And how long should be cooking it for here? So press on the pressure cook here. 1 hour 51 minutes. Good enough. Let's put it high pressure. High pressure here. No, keep warm. And start. So I'll see you guys back in 2 hours, right? And it should be done. In the meantime, like you can cook some other stuff, like you can cook rice, you can do some vegetable that you can eat with the slow cooked chicken. All right. Okay guys, the instant pot is done cooking. So now let's check our final slow cooked chicken here. Here comes the moment of truth. Woo! Look at this. Look at what we have here. Okay, give me 1 second here. Oh boy, look at this one. Let's bring it outside. Let me bring it outside. Is it too hot? Oh, it is hot. I can't bring it outside for now. Just leave it in there. So let's mix it up a little bit here. So because you slow cook it for so long, right? Like all the meat kind of falling off, and if you like cook it long enough, you can even eat the bone as well because the bone can just melt in your mouth. I hope is it enough? Maybe not long enough yet this time. But before, like, I used to cook a lot longer, and you can just eat the entire thing. So here we go. You can see the color. Very good there. And I also have my rice done cooking here as well, and it's gonna be my dinner here. Rice and slow cooked chicken today. It could be on the menu. Alright guys, so here you have my dinner. Rice, broccoli, and slow cooked chicken over here. There you go. So I got some protein, some vegetable, and some carb right there. Everything you need for a perfect meal right there. So let's go ahead and eat some of them here. Alright, let's start eating. So first thing first, I'm gonna try some of the chicken. So we're gonna get some of the chicken in the spoon. Oh, there's like a piece of bone here. Like because you slow cook it for so long, you can actually eat the bone. So let me try here. One of the fun part about eating slow cooked chicken is eating the bone. So I have some meat here with some soup. Get some rice. Very, very good. Here I have the mushroom here. Let's eat the mushroom here, see if it's soft enough yet. Oh no. Good enough. Here with some rice. Very good there. Some meat here, some more rice as well. A big spoon of meat here. There we go. So because this meal, it has a lot of nutrition, like a lot of protein. So you definitely want to have some vegetable with it. So I have some broccoli here. You must have it. Broccoli there. Here goes some more meat here. Rice. Here. Very good. See it here. Got a piece of bone here. Let's see if I can eat it. Edible? No, this is the chicken butt. I don't want to eat it. I think I should have cut it off. I think I should have cut it off before I put it in the pot. I think I forgot. It's alright. I'm not eating it. I'm not eating the chicken butt here. Oh, so for this, right? Usually, you can eat the mushroom. You can eat the lotus seed as well. But usually people don't eat the red date or the red berry. Like not me, like I don't eat them. But I think some people might want to eat them. You got some lotus seed there. Let's see if I can find more. Oh, there we go. A couple more down here. A few more down here. More down here. There we go. I got a spoon of lotus seed here. Get some rice. Very, very good. More vegetable for me. Oh, I think we have the chicken feet here. Oh, here's the chicken feet. Let's try to eat it with all the bone as well. With all the bone in. Can I eat all the bone here? I'm eating all the bone here, guys. This one is a big one. I have big chicken leg bone here. Can I eat it? So soft. You see that? I just eat it. I just eat the chicken bone. Let's try this one over here. I think the middle part is a little too hard. I don't think it's edible. Go. Some more rice here. Let's try to eat the rice with the soup from the chicken. Yeah. So I got it mixed up with some of the soup here. You can see. Very, very good. And that is my dinner for today. So for right now. So like this is one of the very, very quick recipe, I would say, in terms of like preparation. If you see, right, it doesn't take me more than like 10 minutes to prepare everything. Pretty simple. You just have to put all the ingredient in the slow pot and in the instant pot, and it just slow cook everything for you. The only thing you need to do is just to clean the chicken, clean the dry stuff for a bit, and that's about it. So give it a try and let me know if it turned out as good as you think it should be. Thank you for watching the video, guys.